Hello Fit Friends, welcome back for the reveal of my Room of the Month challenge. I want to first say thank you to Heidi for inviting me to collab with her and the other fabulous ladies this month for the Room of the Month challenge. After you're done watching this reveal, check the playlist that's linked down below and go and check out all of their reveals too. So as you know, I have dedicated this month to revamping the multi-purpose room in the middle of my house. It was past due. It's a very important room in the house in that it serves many functions. It's my home office, my home workout space, it's a gaming space for my daughters, and it's basically a pass-through, a glorified hallway, a huge hallway from the front of the house to the back of the house where the kitchen is. So we're always going in and out of that space. So I'm so happy that it's done. I'm so happy with this space, and I hope you're excited to see the reveal. Are you ready? All right, let's go check it out. So what did you think, Fit Friends? Comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed the reveal as much as we are enjoying this space. So I hope you're also excited to work out with me on Monday. It's going to be the first recording in the revamped, updated home gym space. I'm so excited about that. And right now, I want you to click the link that's below to the playlist and go and check out all of the other transformations for this month's Room of the Month challenge. Got it? All right, have a fabulous day. Mwah. Bye.